How can I effectively use merchandise sales to generate income from my YouTube channel? When it comes to making money from merchandise sales on YouTube, here are some top tips to keep in mind. Create eye-catching and unique merchandise. Design merchandise that reflects your brand or content, and make sure it stands out. This can include custom artwork, logos, or slogans that resonate with your audience. Promote your merchandise in your videos. Incorporate subtle yet effective product placement in your videos, such as wearing or showcasing your merchandise. You can also verbally mention and promote your merchandise, along with its benefits, in your videos. Utilize YouTube's merchandise features. YouTube offers built-in merchandise features, such as merchandise shelves and merchandise cards, which allow you to showcase and promote your products directly on your videos. Take advantage of these features to increase visibility and sales. Engage with your audience, interact with your viewers, respond to their comments, and ask for their feedback on your merchandise. Building a strong relationship with your audience can create a loyal fan base that is more likely to purchase your merchandise. Set reasonable prices and shipping costs. Consider the affordability of your merchandise, taking into account your audience's demographics and purchasing power. Additionally, be transparent about shipping costs to avoid any surprises that may discourage potential buyers. Use multiple sales channels. In addition to YouTube, consider selling your merchandise on other platforms such as your website, social media, or online marketplaces to reach a wider audience and maximize your sales potential. Provide excellent customer service. Ensure timely shipping, respond to customer inquiries promptly, and handle any issues or complaints professionally. Happy customers are more likely to recommend your merchandise to others and make repeat purchases. Remember, success in merchandise sales on YouTube takes time and effort.